Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of tree agate, the stone of plenty. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. Today, we'll be talking about how you can do that with tree agate, the stone of plenty. This is a really gorgeous gemstone. When I was polishing and tumbling these, I was just fascinated by the patterns in every single different stone. And this is a white and green stone that includes these plant-like inclusions. It looks like moss growing within the stone, and it's not actually plants. They're metal oxides that are inclusions within the stone that look a little bit like ferns or moss within the gemstone. This is also, and it's called dendrites. This is a dendritic stone, and those dendrites are the metal oxides. If you hear about dendritic agate, dendritic jasper, plume agates have the dendrites in it as well. That's what it's referring to. And this is a really gorgeous stone. It's known as the stone of plenty. The first benefit of working with tree agate is that it attracts abundance. The green plant-like inclusions in the stone represent growth and development, and it attracts abundance and plenitude into our lives. However, this is not just in terms of financial abundance. I have talked about this in another video. Green is not the universal color for money, because globally and historically, green does not represent money. Other countries have different colored money. The universal color for wealth is gold and golden yellow. But green does represent growth and abundance, much like at one point crops were very important, and the abundance and health and vitality of your crop, your annual crop, was very important because it brought food for the family. It brought crops you could trade for other things that you needed, that it would bring in money. So those plants, the growth and health of those plants brought what that family needed. It is the same with tree agate. It attracts what you need in life, but not necessarily what you want. Maybe not the form that you want it to take. Abundance can refer to more love, more friendships, more opportunities, more health. Abundance refers to a lot of things, not just our financial well-being. The second benefit of working with tree agate is that it helps to heal nature. This is an excellent stone to help us strengthen our connection with the energy of the earth. It's incredibly healing, and this is a great stone to use with plants. You can put tree agates in a planter. You can put them near plants outside to help encourage healing and the health of those plants. If you're interested in doing energy plant healing, tree agate is an excellent stone to work with. This is also great if you're feeling a little confined inside and you want to get back in touch with nature. Take tree agate with you as you go sit outside, as you take a walk, and it will help you reconnect with the elements outside in Mother Nature. The third benefit of working with tree agate is that it helps us just be in the present moment. This gemstone is deeply connected with the energy of the earth. It is incredibly grounding and soothing. It helps you settle into the present moment. This is a gemstone. When I hold it, I feel here in the present moment. I am grounded, calm, and know that I will receive what I need in life. I don't have to worry about the past or worry about the future. I can focus with how I'm doing right now in the present moment. If you're having difficulty releasing attachment to reminiscing about the past or worried about situations coming up in the future, tree agate is an excellent stone to sit with to just disconnect yourself with those mind tornadoes we get caught up in. It can help provide some relief from the worries of our lives. Then, moving naturally into the fourth benefit of working with tree agate, it helps us keep calm during crisis. So this is a wonderful stone to have with you or to wear if you're going through a life crisis or an emergency. Tree agate is good to have in your home, accessible, because if an emergency does happen, you can grab it, put it in your pocket, and move on with focusing on how to respond to that emergency. It helps us feel stable and reassured that everything will work out okay. It's an incredibly soothing stone that helps us disconnect from the panic that we may feel during a crisis. It helps us to not worry about what could be coming, like the next hour, the next day. It helps us focus on what we need to do right now. Sometimes in emergencies, how we respond right now is vital. If we get caught up in worrying about what's coming next, then it paralyzes us in the present moment. That's not to say we can't plan for what we're going to have to deal with next, but it doesn't keep us attached and rooted to worries about the future. Tree agate is a wonderful stone for living in the moment, appreciating what we have now, which in turns attracts more of what we need in our lives. It's a wonderful cycle. If we're here in the moment, we're not worrying about other aspects of our lives. We can be in the present moment, appreciate our lives now. It helps open up those opportunities to come to us. Thank you so much for sitting with me to talk about tree agate, the stone of plenty. And if you do feel that tree agate is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with tree agate. to help you sit with a gemstone and feel its energies. But you don't need a piece of tree agate to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything in this video or anything during the guided meditation feels really familiar to you or triggers you, that's a sign that you should get some tree agate to work with it some more. If you are looking to purchase tree agate, then do check out my online crystal healing store, and I'll link it in the eye above to see if I do have tumbled tree agate or tree agate jewelry available. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn about a lot of different types of gemstones and how they can help you in your everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.